Children, let's have some fun with the preposition. Preposition is a positional word which you find difficult. I am going to make it easier for you. Look at this apple. It is in my hand. Now, if I placed it here, the apple is on my head. Now, if I placed it here, the apple is front of me. Now, if I keep it here, the apple is behind me. Now, if I keep it between two glasses, I can say the apple is between two glasses. Now, if I placed it in a particular place, I can say the apple is at that place. This at, in, behind, beside, front of, between are called preposition, which define the position of apple. So now I hope you all come to know about some preposition. If there is some queries, please be free to ask me. I will definitely solve it and give you the proper explanation. Bye bye.